Okay, so this is a recording of how to do your mandatory trainings online for KISD. So you will go to My KD Cloud, and click on that, and you'll have to log in to do that. I'm already logged in. Then you will go to Eduphoria. If you don't have the tile here, you'll go to Eduphoria, click on the tile, log in again, same password, all the same stuff there. You'll go to Workshop, and then Compliance and District Mandatory Training. And once you're in there, you'll hit the top one, the Mandatory Training for Campus and ESC Staff. You'll have to come up here to the top and hit, sorry, yours looks a little different from mine. You have to click on this again, I'm sorry, and then you have to hit register up here. So register. Then once you're in there, you'll have to go to course content, which is the second tab right here, and click on course content, and then you would start with one and hit view. So if you do that, you'll come in here, you'll need to do all the readings, and this kind of walks you through it as well. But once you do that, once you're done with this page, you'll go to this blue arrow up here and hit forward, next step, next chapter, yes, and then it's just going to walk you through all the different things. Anytime you see something with a pencil over here, it's going to be a quiz over here. When you're done with checking your answers, you'll score the test. It'll ask you to move on. You'll hit the blue arrow again once you score it. Let's just pick the top answer here. Actually, I'm not going to do that. And then once you've got all this and you've confirmed that you've read all of those things, you'll hit score, the assessment, and then you'll just hit the blue arrow again. It'll move you on to the next chapter, and you'll do that till you get to the end. Once you get to the end, I'm just going to skip ahead here. This is the final acknowledgement. You'll type in your name, CRJH, and then the day, month, and year. Click that you verified that, and score assessment. And then from there, you're going to print this, so you'll hit Control-P to print that and print it off. And then once you've done that, you can hit the forward button, and that will be the end of it. Then you'll print that off and bring it to Lisa at our front desk, and you should be good. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call one of us. Thanks.